Hi, Santi. This book is called Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Willems. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? This little pig's asking the elephant. I want yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Chew! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Chew! Oh no, he blew the pig upside down. I cannot stop Achoo! Oh no. Sneezing. Oh no. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. I he's putting on a helmet to get ready for the loud noise. Chew. Goodbye. Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great, now cats make me sneeze too. Thud, falls down. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Uh-oh, look, now Piggy has a cold. He gave him a cold. The end. That was funny.